Lentils need no introduction. Clubbing them with the right veggies will make sure your meal is complete. This recipe does exactly that. While many people cook some variation of this recipe all over the world, we tried to make it more nourishing by adding right vegetables while keeping it tasty. This recipe is particularly rich in water-soluble vitamins and minerals. A tip for people with gas or bloating problems. Make sure you soak the lentils for adequate time and drain the water. In that way, all phytic acids or phytates that makes us bloat should be gone. You can enjoy this recipe with roti or rice. See you guys next week. Until then, auf Wiedersehen.